long ago, in the heart of the Middle East, stood a city sacred to millions. That city was Jerusalem. For centuries, it was ruled by Muslims. But in the year 1099, everything changed. European armies marched across deserts and mountains. They called their war the First Crusade. After years of brutal battles, the Crusaders captured Jerusalem. A new Christian kingdom was created, the Kingdom of Jerusalem. Several Crusader states appeared across the region. One of them was the county of Edessa. For many years, these Crusader states stood strong, but history was about to change. In the Muslim world, a powerful leader was rising. His name was Imad ad-Din Zengi. He believed the divided Muslim lands must unite. And in 1144, he launched a powerful attack on the city of Edessa. The battle was fierce. Walls shook. Soldiers fought day and night. Finally, Edessa fell. It was the first Crusader state ever taken back by Muslims. The news spread across Europe like wildfire.
Edessa has fallen! The city is lost! Arm yourselves!
Fear, anger, and revenge filled the hearts of many. A famous Christian preacher, Bernard of Clairvaux, called for another holy war. And soon, a new crusade began. History would remember it as the Second Crusade. This time, powerful kings joined the war. The King of France, Louis VII of France, and the King of Germany, Conrad III of Germany. Thousands of soldiers marched east. They crossed freezing mountains, dangerous rivers, and endless deserts. But the journey was brutal. Hunger became their enemy. Disease spread through the camps. Many soldiers never reached the battlefield. Finally, the Crusader armies arrived in the Middle East. In 1148, they made a bold decision. They would attack the great Muslim city of Damascus. The Crusader army surrounded the city, but the defenders of Damascus stood strong. Arrows filled the sky. The sound of swords echoed across the fields. Day after day, the Crusaders tried to break the city walls, but the Muslim defenders refused to surrender. Soon, the Crusader army began to lose hope. Supplies were running out. Fear spread through the camps. And then, the unexpected happened. After only a few days of fighting, the Crusader army retreated. The great campaign had failed. The Second Crusade ended in complete defeat. The kings of Europe returned home with nothing but disappointment. But something important had changed. In the Muslim world, a new spirit of unity was growing. This spirit would soon produce one of the greatest leaders in history. A man whose name would shake the Crusader kingdoms. His name was Saladin, and the story of Jerusalem was far from over.